Use our cutting machine, make the material goes through like this. Firstly, you need to turn on the power and make the lift this roller, make the material under it, and then make it tight. Okay, this one is for forward. Okay, touch this, make sure the wheel forward, and if this one backward, forward. See? Okay, make the material forward to the cutting knife. Okay, now touch the screen here, and you will see manual mode, and need to firstly manual cut. Okay, and then close. So now you need to use the normal mode. Here you can see the total quantity. Need to input the number as big as possible. Here we can set it at 99999. Okay, enough. And the length, the unit is millimeter. For example, you need to cut it in 10 millimeter and 10 millimeter. Okay, batch quantity. For example, we can set it at, if you need to cut 10 pieces, 5 pieces. Okay, set it at 5. And clear this, and the speed you can adjust it from 1 to 99. The bigger for the number, the faster for the speed. So here we can set it at 20, for example. Okay, here we go. We can press the green button. Surely we have a platform to receive the final products. Okay, after it reached 5, the machine will stop automatically, and batch finished, it means. And you need to continue this to start another 5 pieces again. 5 is only an example. You can set the number according to your need. If you need it at 100, you can set it at 100. If you need it at 500, set it at 500. Okay, that's all. It's easy. The model is wider. It's more wider than your model in your factory, so it doesn't matter. The function is the same, and maybe the pictures in the touch screen, it is a little different. It doesn't matter. For the function, so for the normal mode, we didn't change it. You can check this. If you still have problem, can tell me freely. I'm David. Okay.